The Rolling Stone Sound of the Year Streamy goes to...
All right.
Made You Look, Meghan Trainor.
Thank you. Where are you? Get over here. Thank you to the Streamys and Rolling Stone. I love those songs so much. This is nuts. Thank you to my co-writers, Sean Douglas and Fede. I wrote this for my postpartum body. I just had a baby. Shout out to my babies, Riley and Barry. Mama loves you. Brookie and Jesse for making the amazing dance. Thank you for all of you for making videos for the song. It means so much to us songwriters. And most importantly, thank you to my promo team and my paid best friend. Chris Elson, say something!
Oh, thank you for my career as well, Meghan Trainor. I love you!
I love you so much. Thank you so much. You too.